The Lumaguig Stone is located in Sitio Halao, Barangay Buninan, Mayoyao, Ifugao. According to legend, it is home to fairies who protects the stone from rolling down and from people who have no regard to the protection and preservation of the place. According to my lola, the stone was originally situated in the lower portion of Buninan with several other huge stones. The waterfall in Halao has two big stones sitting above it. She also said that during their days, there were plenty of fish in the river, including shrimps, enough to feed the entire village. One night, the residents of Sitio Halao heard voices coming from the river and it sounded like they were celebrating something. Accordingly, they did not see anything but they clearly heard the voices. The residents in the quiet hamlet of Halao was bewildered to see the mysterious stone perfectly positioned on top of the stone just above the waterfalls. Not only that, all the residents received some cooked pork unknowingly distributed by unseen beings while they were all asleep. In local language, it is called chatag. The villagers kept on wondering for several days how a huge boulder of stone can be carried and placed in its current position. After some time, it was called Lumaguig Stone. Sadly, it is often mistakenly pronounced as Lumaguig Stone. Several years have passed and the stone remained unaffected despite earthquakes and other kind of destruction. It is believed by those who live long enough to observe the stone that it was being protected by the spells of those who placed it there in the first place. In this modern age, it is usually referred to as Enchanted Stone of Lumaguig. Nowadays, it is believed by many that Mayoyao will continue to prosper and its people will stay strong and will live in harmony as long as the stone stands in its position.